When I was looking up how to divide pampas grass, nobody used this tool. Sawzall, reciprocating saw. I've done it like this for 3 years because I'm not very good with an axe that you split firewood with. Anyway, so I kind of cut a place down the middle so I can get down the middle easier. There's probably something in safety regulations that say I shouldn't be running a camera with one hand, because I can't lift this whole half. See, it's wider than my legs. I cut it in quarters. So there's my job. I cut it in half this way. You take the Sawzall all the way down into the dirt with a 12-inch pruning saw blade. And then I just dig around the perimeter of the piece I'm taking out. Best spade ever. So I'm taking out this quarter piece and I'll go plant it somewhere else. And then I will take out this quarter piece and go plant it somewhere else. And this one will fill in. It was huge last year. Now I drag these on this handy little yard sled and go plant them somewhere else. Love this thing. I have 2 of them.